Welcome to Auto Info Master, your go-to place for everything on wheels. Today we're taking a trip back in time with a modern twist, the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage Apache 3200 pickup. A masterpiece that blends nostalgia with innovation. This truck is for those who crave the timeless charm of a classic pickup, but demand the power and technology of today. The Chevrolet Apache 3200 was originally introduced in the late 1950s, earning a reputation for rugged durability and eye-catching design. Fast forward to 2025, and Chevy has brought it back, staying true to its roots while enhancing it with modern engineering. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling piece of history, designed to turn heads and deliver performance that matches its bold look. Looking at its exterior design, Chevrolet has done an impeccable job of retaining the vintage appeal of the original Apache while giving it a fresh, high-end finish. The large front grille with chrome horizontal bars pays homage to the 50s design, but is now enhanced with LED accents for a futuristic touch. Round LED headlights replace the old-school sealed beams, providing a striking contrast between classic and contemporary. The hood retains that muscular bulge, a symbol of power, while the fenders keep their wide, sculpted stance. From the side, the truck's elongated body stays true to the 3200's legacy. The sleek lines, large wheel arches, and side-mount step panels give it a bold yet elegant look. The retro-styled badging on the fenders adds to its vintage charm, while the chrome door handles and side mirrors elevate the premium feel. Rolling on modern 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, this truck is as ready for off-road adventures as it is for city cruise. Moving to the back, you'll notice a perfectly balanced blend of old-school aesthetics and modern functionality. The tailgate proudly wears the Chevrolet script, reminiscent of the classic model, but now features a soft close mechanism for convenience. LED taillights maintain the vintage round shape, but deliver high visibility with cutting-edge technology. The truck bed comes with a durable liner, and an optional retractable tonneau cover adds practicality without taking away from the retro vibe. Inside the cabin, the blend of classic design and modern tech continues. The dashboard, inspired by the original Apache, features analog-styled gauges with a digital twist. A large infotainment screen, seamlessly integrated into the center, supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's latest MyLink system. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching offer both comfort and sophistication, while the retro-style steering wheel houses modern controls for effortless handling. Under the hood, Chevy offers two engine options. The standard is a 3.6 LV6, pushing out 310 horsepower and 275 lb-ft of torque, ideal for those who want a balance of power and efficiency. But for enthusiasts craving a true muscle truck experience, a 5.3 LV8 producing 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque is available. Both engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering seamless shifts and solid fuel efficiency for a truck of this class. With rear-wheel drive as standard and an optional all-wheel drive setup, the Apache 3200 is built for both the streets and the trail. In terms of performance, this pickup isn't just about looking good. It offers an advanced suspension system that blends classic truck toughness with modern ride comfort. The electric power steering ensures precise handling, while upgraded disc brakes on all four wheels provide reliable stopping power. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting rugged terrains, the 2200 offers a smooth, controlled ride. Pricing for this masterpiece starts at around $48,000, with fully loaded models touching the $60,000 mark. Considering the unique combination of vintage styling, modern performance, and cutting-edge technology, this truck stands in a class of its own. So who is this truck for? If you're someone who appreciates automotive history but doesn't want to compromise on modern features, the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage Apache 3200 is your perfect match. It's a statement vehicle, an instant classic that offers a rare blend of nostalgia and performance. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone looking for a standout truck, this Apache delivers in every way. That wraps up today's review on Auto Info Master. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage Apache 3200 pickup, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and drop a comment on what you think about this vintage modern fusion. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.